is legitimate.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Black Hawk County in northeastern Iowa, southern Bremer County in northeastern Iowa, east central Butler County in north central Iowa, until 11 p.m. At 10:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Janesville, or near Waverly, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Cedar Falls, Waverly, Denver, Shell Rock, Waterloo Municipal Airport, Janesville, Dunkerton, Redland, and Waverly Municipal Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Bremer, and Butler.
Appreciate you coming on the show.
With Earlville, Colesburg, Greeley, Dundee, Delaware, Masonville, Oneida, Delaware County Fairgrounds, Manchester Airport, Coffins Grove Park, Twin Bridges Park, Petersburg, and Backbone State Park. Take cover now.
With carrying out at least